Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. On our previous video, we have already discussed about the module number 1 of JavaScript, and in this video we will discuss about the module number 2 of JavaScript. On the in the module number 1 of JavaScript, we have discussed the introduction of JavaScript, and in this video, the module number 2 of JavaScript, we will discuss about the variable and data type of JavaScript. For the discussing, I have to share my screen. Okay, and just give a minute. I will share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Hello guys, tell me my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, just put a comment. My screen is visible to everyone. If you are getting any error to look my screen, then put a comment. I will solve your issue as soon as possible. Okay, if is it visible, then move further. The topic name is variable and data type. We have already known that today we will discuss about variable and data type, and this module name is module number is 2. Okay, now move further and come here. There is something declaring variable using var, let and const keyword. Okay, we can declare variable using var, let and const keyword. Okay, let's understand about the explanation. Okay, in JavaScript, variable are used to store data value. In JavaScript, why we use variable? We use variable to store data value. You can declare variable using 3 different keywords. Okay, I can and we can declare a variable using 3 different keywords. The first one is var, and the second one is let, and the third one is const. Okay, I hope this explanation is clear to everyone. If is it clear, then move further and check what is further. Okay, and when we move further, then we look, there is three variable. Okay, the first one is var, the second one is let, and the third one is const. There is 3 variable keyword. This is keyword. Okay, now look one by one and understand one by one. Okay, the first one is var. This keyword was traditionally, we already know about traditionally, used to declare variables. Okay, but it has some quick related to the scope and hosting. We will take a session related to the scope on hosting. We will take a dedicated session for this on our upcoming video. Just keep watching and keep patience. Okay, if you see my each and every video, then you will definitely learn JavaScript in an easy manner. Okay, no problem. Now move further, and there is a scope and hosting. We will took a dedicated session for the scope and hosting. Don't think about this. Variable are moved to the top of their scope and doing the completion. What is the meaning of completion? Completion means to store something or a storeroom. Okay, to store or storeroom. Okay, storeroom. It is clear. If is it clear, now move further. Okay, why we use? Because var is the traditional use to declare variable. Okay, now let's understand about let. Introduce in ex6. What is ex6? Okay, let's understand ex6. When we come with the ex6, then we see JavaScript 2015 was the second major revision to JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript 2015 is also known as ex6 and ECMAScript 6. Okay, what is ex6? JavaScript 2015 version is also known as EX6 and ECMAScript 6. Okay, there is some developer who update the JavaScript and make it EX6 version. Okay, and before 2050 we are working with only var keyword. When we declare a variable, we use only var keyword before 2050, and after 2050, after introduce ex6, there is two more keyword. The first one is let and the second one is const. We will discuss about it. The first introduced in ex6. Okay, let let allow you to declare value with the block scope. What is block scope? Let's understand in our code pen. Okay, when we come in this code pen, let's understand. There is a function. The function name is demo function, and this is called arrow function. Okay, the function name is demo fun. Okay, and this function quality is arrow function. Okay, and in this arrow function I am declaring a value with the help of let keyword. Sorry, here var keyword, but with the help of let keyword we have to use let keyword. With the help of let keyword, the value, the variables a value is 10. Okay, and when we declare a value with the help of let keyword under the function, we have to use this variable only under the function, not outside the function. When we want to use this variable outside the function, we can't be use. Okay, when we, let's take, wait. Okay, we declare a variable with the name of a and with the help of let keyword. Okay, and the value of a is 10. Is it clear to everyone? I just want to use this variable after this function, this curly braces, first curly braces and second curly braces, after this curly braces. So for this using, I have to use console. Console is a method to display the output on the console. Okay, this is the console, and this is the variable name. When we consoling something, then we have to use this variable name. Okay, and we are using this variable name, and here I am calling the my function. What is the output? Let's check. When we use, then I'm getting an error. Why I'm getting error? There is something. I'm just deleting everything. Okay, I'm using, then I'm getting the error, and let's understand why I'm getting this error. And this is, yeah, let's check. Uncause reference error. I'm getting a reference error. A is not defined, but I'm defining a, but there is getting a is not defined. Why this error we are getting? Can anyone tell me why this error we are getting? Because we declare a under the function and we use a outside the function. That's why I'm getting this type of error. If I'm using this a under the function, then look my output, I will not get any type of error. Clear this console and come to this particular point and check. Yeah, this is the view. Okay, I'm consoling. For that reason, what I have to do? Yeah, let's check. I'm consoling here, console.log and a, and come. I'm calling this demo function. I'm getting this output. What is happening? Something is happening. I'm calling this function, but I have to call with this. That's what I hope. Yeah, I'm safe and I'm getting this output. Let's check. Where is it? Here. I'm getting the output of 10. Why? Because I am declaring a value under the function, then I have to use, look at this, I am declaring this value under the function a and I have to use under the function. We can't use outside of the function. Okay, this is called block scope. This is called block scope. I hope this block scope is clear to everyone. Okay, this is called block scope. Now we will learn about global scope a little bit, not deeply understand, just little bit explanation about global scope. When we declare a value with the help with the var keyword, okay, and the value will be 20. and this is globally. This is called globally because I am written this code at the top of this page. Okay, this is called globally. This is not under any function, not under any curly braces, not under anything. Then it is called globally variable. Okay, when we declare a globally variable, then we use it whenever I want. Then we use it whenever we want. It is not getting any error. Okay, let's check. I just want to use this b. I just want to use this b after the demo function. Can I use console.log b? Okay, console.log and b. Let's check. Please look at this. Just wait 1 second. It will be so. Okay, wait 1 second. What is happening? Why is it not showing? I hope there is an issue with the save. I'm saving my pain, but still I'm not getting any output. Why? There is some error with the code pane. Okay, just wait. I'm getting some time. Let's move further. I'm getting after some time. Don't worry. It is working. It is happening because of code pen. There is some error with the code pen. Otherwise, it will work. There is no problem. Okay, when we declare where or let, we can declare with the help of let. In global scope, it is working as a global scope. Okay, I'm refreshing this page. Then what we get this output? Let's check. Auto save enable. Yeah, let's check. When I refreshing this, I'm getting this output. What is happening? The first console.log is under the demo function, and this is called a. I'm getting the output of 10, and this is the global scope. I can use it whenever I want. I use it after the demo function, then console.log b, and the variable b has 20 value, then it will show 20. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. If not, then put a comment. I will explain you in a different manner. Okay, I hope this let keyword is no, and there is something more. Variable declared with the let are limited with the block. Yeah, we will discuss this let keyword. When we declare, it is limited with the block. Okay, perfect. Statement between curly braces. Yeah, statement between curly braces. It is clear in which they are defined. Okay, perfect. And come to this particular point. There's two things. Const also introduced in ex6. Const is also introduced in ex6. Const is used to declare constant. When we want to declare a value which is constant means fixed, then we used const. We can use const. Okay, that variable cannot be reassigned after the initial value is assigned. Okay, let's check. Come to the const. So for the const, it will be not problem. Okay, and const, and I am putting the const value will c. Const c is equal to 30. Okay, I am putting const c 30 as a initial value. I am just trying to reassign the value. C is equal to 40. I am reassigning. First initialing value, const value is 30, and after that I am reassigning const c value is 14. What is getting? Let's check which type of output we are getting. Type error. I am getting type error. Which type? Assignment to constant variable. Okay, it means we can't be assigned in a constant variable. Okay, reassign, we can't be reassigned. That's why I'm getting error. Understood? And if we can't reassign, we just use console.log c, and let's check what is happening. Yeah, I'm getting this output. Let's check. There is 30. I hope this 30 is visible to everyone. There is 30. I'm getting an output, and after the reassign, c is equal to 14. I'm getting? No, I'm not getting. I'm getting a what? I'm getting a error message. Okay, understood? I hope is it clear to everyone. The const keyword is clear to everyone. Just let me know. I will move further. The const keyword to clear to everyone. This line to this line, not a complete line. This line to this line, here to here, here to here, this to this line is clear to everyone. I hope. Okay, if is it clear, then move further. And after that, however, there is something, however note that their value, there is something for noting, just note that. Okay, however note that the value of a const variable can still be muted if it's an object or an array. Before that, before this line we know that, well, we can't be change the value of a constant. We can't be changed, we can't be muted the value of constant. And after this line we will know that we can change the value of a constant with the help object and array. Okay, when we work with object and array, then we are able to change the mutate the value of const. Understood? When we work with object and array, then we are able. Okay, what is object, what is array? We will discuss about object and array on our upcoming video. Keep watching and keep patience. Okay, I hope this const is clear to everyone. If this const keyword is clear to everyone, then let me know, I will move further. Now move further. Okay, there is three variable. The first one is var, with name of variable is name, and the second using let, and the third using const. Okay, there is three variable, the first using var, the second using let, the third is using const. The var variable with name of John, and the value with name of name and value is John. Okay, and let is a variable with the name of age and the value of 13, and const is also a variable with the name of pi and with the value of this. Okay, I hope is it clear to everyone. This is a piece of code for your better comprehension. Okay, and if is it clear, now move further. When we move further, and when we come in data type. Okay, after the keyword const keyword, we will check the data type. Okay, JavaScript has several built-in data type. JavaScript has several built-in data type. It has already built-in data type. Okay, the first one is a number, represent both an integer floating point numbers. Okay, I hope you already know about the integers. Okay, but I guess that you some are confused about floating point number. Now today we will discuss about floating point number. As we already know that the integer is called 1 2 3 4. Okay, and integers, this is integers, and 1 2 3 4 5 so on infinite. Okay, it is called what? It is called integers. Okay, and when we come with floating point number, and the floating point is just called your decimal number. You already know about decimal number like 1.2, 2.3, 4.5. Every point number, every decimal number is called floating number. Okay, I hope this floating number and this integers both are clear to everyone. Okay, there is a data type in JavaScript which is built-in. Okay, and that represent the both integers and floating point numbers. Okay, when we check a floating point numbers, then it will also show the output of numbers. Okay, let's understand in this code. Okay, I just commenting all the code when I written before. Okay, and clear this console and save everything. I'm not getting any type of output. Let's come here. Okay, I am assigning a number let keyword with the help of number 10. Okay, and we already know that this is the integers, and just check console.log. We already know that we use console.log as an output of a console.log 10. When we put this, and we will get 10 here. Okay, we will get 10 here. When we will check what is the data type. So for data type, what I have to do, I have to put a data type. I hope this data type of, not data type of the function. Okay, and we will put here a and check. I hope there's a type of name of function, type of a, and one second. I'm working with type of, I'm not using, yeah. Now I will check. Yeah, I'm getting this number. What is this type? When I'm check type of a, what is the type of a? I am just doing a silly mistake. I am putting capital O instead of small o. Okay, So you can check it perfectly. Let a, when I declare a value with the name of a and the value of a is 10. Okay, we already know the data type of it is an integer and its data type of numbers. Okay, and when we declare another value, let b, and which is a 10.2, it is a floating point number. We can say this is called floating point number. And here I am also checking, what is the data type of b. What is the data type of b? When we just put it down and let's check here, the integers, it is the integers, it is called integers, it is called integer, and it is called floating point number. Okay, it is called floating point number. Okay, but both represent the number data type. Okay, both represent the number data type, and which is written in this PPT. Okay, represent both integer and floating point numbers. I hope this numbers data type is clear to everyone. Now come to the string. String represent textual data and is enclosed in single or double quote. Okay, what represent string represent textual data and is enclosed in single and double quotes. Okay, let's understand here. I am written first. I am taking a single quote and I am written in the single quote ASU, ASSU. Okay, and this is the opening single quote and this is the closing to single quote. When we declare anything under the single quote, it will become a string. It is clear, single quote or double quote, it will become a string. Okay, it may be a number, it may be a content, it may be any alphabetical value, everything. But when we use double quote before the content, then it will become what? A string. Okay, can anyone tell me? I have a question for you. If anyone tell me, then I'm able to know that you are understanding my point. Okay, let's tell me. There is a 1 2 3. I just want to know which data type is 1 2 3, which data type. We already know that 1 2 3 is the integers and integers is come in numbers data type. It is clear to everyone, and I'm also saying yes, you are right. It is number. It is number data type. You are right. Okay. And when when I put 1 2 3 and enclose 1 2 3 under the double quote, then what it will become? Can you explain which data type it is? Okay, it will become string data type. It will become string data type. If you are not getting my point, let's discuss on our code pen. Okay, come to the code point and I'm commenting this point. I'm commenting this point. This is commenting and deleting. Okay, I'm commenting, and after commenting I will check a string. This is for string. Okay, and this string data type, what I have to do, I have to check everything. So first I am putting let my name. Yeah, there is a variable name which is my name. Okay, in this my name I am putting Ashutosh in the help of double quote, and let's check what is the data type of this. So I'm just copy this code and paste here, and in this type of I'm written my name because this time my variable name is my name. Okay, when I'm checking my name, this is my variable name, I just want to check of my name what I will get. Let's check. I just want to check of my name variable name what I will get. Let's check. I will save it and I'm not getting any output. Wait for 10 minutes and I'm refreshing this page. There is some error because of code pen. Okay, not because of my code. Okay, let's check. String. Okay, and in this case, instead of Asutosh, I am putting, I have to two things. The first thing you will understand here what I have to do. I have to check a number. I'm using let keyword also. and putting num, and in this num I am putting 1 2 3. Okay, in this num I am putting 1 2 3, and instead of my name I am checking the data type of num. Okay, I am checking the data type of num, and let's check. When we see, come here and yeah, look at this, what is happening. This is called number. I'm just clear everything from and wait for 2 minutes. It will be so. It will be so. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. If it is not showing, just refresh. Sometime it is happening because of Coercion. Always remember this thing. Okay. And 3251. Yeah. Number. I'm getting this output. Let's check. And we already know that 1 2 3 is a number. Okay. 1 2 3 is a number. And when we use double quote, okay, when we use double quote, then what it will become? It will become a string. Let's check. It will become a string. I hope this string is clear to everyone. This string data type is clear to everyone. If it is clear, then let me know. I will move further. Please tell me, bro. Okay. Now come to the boolean. Boolean represent a logical value either true or false. Okay, boolean data type always represent two things, true and false. It will depend upon our logical value. When we work with code, we will apply some logical value, then we will check how it is true and how it is false. We will check. And when we talk about boolean is just called true and false. Always remember. Null, and null is also a data type. And why we use null? Let's check. Represent an intentional absence of any value. Okay, null, what is represent an intentional absence of any value. Always remember, what is represent of null? Null represent intentional absence, matlab intensely absence of any value. I hope null is clear. There is two options. Okay, let's import. I will talk about null. Okay, I am just putting a variable which name is empty. I'm putting a variable which name is empty, and in this empty value I'm not putting anything. I'm just empty taking. This is a variable. Okay, and in this variable, when I put this variable null, it means what is happening? Null means nothing. Null means also called nothing. We can also put this thing. Okay, when we put this thing, and after that I'm checking this empty data type. I'm just checking this empty data type. Then I hope I will get this output, this undefined. Definitely, I hope I will check the empty data type. Let's move and check. And there's a come. Yeah, here. Look at this undefined. What is here? Here is a undefined. Is it clear to everyone? Now move here. And in this case, when we work with the here and putting null, okay, and just set the rule and check. And null is called a object data type. Okay, it is come with the object. Okay, I hope is it clear to everyone. Okay, represent an intentional absence of any value. Clear? Undefined is also a data type, and why we use and how we use undefined. Let's check. Undefined represent a declare variable that has not been assigned a value. Okay, undefined represent that value has not been assigned any value. The variable has not been assigned any value. When this example, I hope this is clear. When I'm not assigning here, I'm just taking an empty variable and I'm not assigning here, then it will show undefined. Look here, it will show undefined. Understood? And when we assign the value, then it will show the value. And I'm assigning 1, then it will show one number. It will show number. Okay? And if I'm assigning here null, intentional null अगर assign किया जाता है यहाँ पे, तो output में क्या आने वाला? Object. Is it clear to everyone? I hope is it clear to everyone. Now move further and come this object. Object represent a collection of key. Object represent a collection of key, value, pairs, and a complex data structure. We will talk about object. we will talk about object, we will talk about every and each data type one by one on our upcoming video. Don't think about this, don't take the tension about this. We will talk about the every and each data type on upon our upcoming videos. Always remember, okay? And we will take single module for that, for your better understanding. Okay, it is just a demo, it is just a look. Okay, trailer, we will see the movie. Okay, and there is something type coercion and type conversion. Okay, we will also take single session for that type coercion and type conversion on upon our previous video. We will also take. Okay, let's understand about coercion and conversion as a theoretical. Okay, type coercion refer to the JavaScript automatic conversion of a value from one data to another when needed. Okay, type coercion refer to the JavaScript automatic conversion. Okay, when we work with type coercion, it will refer automatic conversion of a value from one data to another data when needed. For example, when you add a string to a number, when we add a string to a number, JavaScript might convert number to the string and perform the string concatenation. What is the concatenation? Concatenation is mix. Let's understand this thing. Type coercion, on the other hand, is this explicit conversion of value from one data type to another using function or method like parse int, parse float, and numbers, string, and more. Okay, don't take tensions. We will take a single session for type coercion and conversion. Don't take tension. It is just a tailor for your better reference. Okay, just move it. There is something for you. What is this? Type coercion. There's something, the console.log. We have already known this console.log is a method to display the output on the console. Okay, and this 5, what is this 5 is called a string because it is under the double quote. Plus 2, what it will become? It will become 7. No, it will be concatenate. Okay, it will be concatenate, both concatenation. Let's check. Concatenate कर देगा दोनों को. Okay, it will be concatenate each other. Okay, it means it will not add each other, it will concatenation each other. Okay, that is called string concatenation. Okay, 52 is called 52. It will become already a string. Let's understand type conversion. This is the example of conversion. Let number str, this is variable name. What is the number str? This is called variable name. Okay, and in this variable name there is 1 2 3 under the double quote. It means it will become a string. We already know when we write something under the double quote, it will become a string. Okay, the data type of number string is called a string. Okay, perfect. I hope is it clear. And what is happening? Let's check. First, in first case, what I have to do, I have declare a value with the name of number str. Okay, and in this variable we put the value of string 1 2 3, and after putting we declare another value with the help of number. Let's do it in this code pen. It is very clear. Conversion. In this case, we will discuss about conversion, and I am working conversion करना है हम लोग को इसमें. Let's check. In this conversion part, the first thing I have to take a variable. Let num str. This is a variable. In this variable, under the single quote, I will take where under the double quote. Na? Where was double quote? So 1 2 3. Okay. So under the double quote, we will put 1 2 3. It will become string. Confirm. When we check, we can check here also. Just copy and paste. After copy paste and uncommenting it, and instead of empty, I have to put num str. Okay, I have to put num str and clear everything and just take some time and refresh because there is some problem because of code pen, not for me. Okay, yeah, this is called string. Okay, And when we concatenate, when we add 1 to 3, when we want to, and I have to use let num. After this, this is num str, which is a string. Okay, and in this string, what is happening? Num, and I'm making using parse int. Okay, I'm using here parse int. Why we use parse int? And why we use parse int? What is the meaning of parse int? When we want to change a string into a number, then we use parse int. Always remember one thing: when we want to change my string into the number, then we use parse int. This is the syntax of parse int. And after parse int, there's a bracket. In this bracket, I have to write my variable name, string variable name. Okay, and my string variable name is num str. I have to copy and paste here. Okay, now what is in num? What have in num variable? Let's check. In num variable, the value of string become, let's check what is happening. I'm just console.log, and I'm just checking num. When I'm consoling and logging, then I'm taking 1 2 3, and let's check what is happening. I am assigning a value num st with the variable name is num str, and the value is 1 2 3, which is a string, and in this case it will become number. How? Because here I'm using parse int. In this case I am using parse int. In second line, parse int. And why we use parse int? When we want to change a string into number, then we use parse int. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, and if I want to add 7, then we can add it, because I already know 123 is also number and 7 is also number. Okay, if both are number, then we can add it. And if we can add it with num str, we can't change. And what is happening? Let's check. Num str, this in this num str, what I have in this num str, I have the string value of 1 2 3, not the num value, not the number value of 1 2 3, string value of 1 2 3. Okay, let's check. Look at this, 1 2 3 7. It will be concatenation itself. Okay, I hope this coercion and conversion is clear to everyone. Okay, I hope. If you are not getting my point and having understanding, facing difficulty to understand me, then tell me on the comment. I will definitely improve myself and make you feel better. Okay, let's move further. There's what? Understanding variables, data type, and type conversion is fundamental to working with JavaScript. Yes, it is understanding. It's lay the foundation, write dynamic and expressive code. As you practice and gain experience, you will more comfortable with this concept. Okay, okay. Today our this module will be clear. Okay, don't think about the deeply description. Okay, don't think about the deeply knowledge. We will discuss everything on our single module. Okay, we will discuss about where on our single video, we will discuss about let on our single video, we will discuss about const on our single video. We will take a single session for each module. Okay, don't take tension, just keep watching and keep patience. Okay, I hope is it clear to everyone. Okay. Hello guys, our 2D session has been completed. I hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Syntax Error Happen and hit like button also. Okay, I'm waiting for your subscribe and like. Just put a subscribe and press a bell button also.